Welcome, Global Powerhouse Women. I'm here for you. It's an exclusive invitation for you women in business who want to take your business and yourself to your next level. I'm Dr. Elena Grizzi. I'm from Venice, Italy, and this is my country. And I'm a global visionary and success expert here for you to take you to Mykonos, Greece, and start living from within. Unleash the power that you have inside of yourself to become a powerful creator. So stop playing small and join me and my unstoppable business partner Nella from Australia. We join our vision together to impact even more women all around the globe. Here is Nella from Australia.
Dr. Elena Agrizzi, thank you so much. Thank you for this invitation and thank you for this opportunity to partner with you at Magic Retreats at this lovely inspirational place in Mykonos, where both of our global visions as CEOs and founders of a number of companies. I am the Global Leadership Advisor and founder of Winston Cartier Publishing and the Unstoppable Woman of Purpose Global Movement. You and I have been friends for at least a good 4 years, and we have connected, we have regularly communicated, and we have harnessed our relationship and nurtured it over a period of years. But we have been prepared for such a time as this, for such a time as now, where we come together with both of our visions, colliding together in harmony, in unity, to be able to bring a formidable force of unstoppable powerhouse women from all around the globe that are feeling like they're a little bit stuck in the rut. They want to be more, they want to do more, they no longer want to play small, as you just mentioned, Dr. Elena, and they want to be able to come in a community of sisterhood, genuine sisterhood, where we communicate, where we can contribute together, where we empower each other, collaborate, join forces, to be able to help each other elevate to that next cutting level. Be the catalyst for change and to be able to create an influence around the globe by sharing your voice. I'm going to be coming along to Mykonos to be able to help you increase your value, because you are worthy. You are more than enough, and you are victorious in every way. So it's time to just go through a transformational retreat where you can soak up the sun, where you can look at the beautiful Aegean Sea, where you can taste the culinary dishes and have the chefs cook for you meals that you've never tasted before, authentic Greek dishes, where you can actually experience extravagance, elegance, femininity, grace, but a whole level of unstoppable women coming together to say, enough is enough, no longer playing small. Let's up level not just our lives, but our business to the next new heights. Are you ready? Will you join Dr. Elena and myself in Mykonos on the 24th to the 29th of May in Greece? We look forward to seeing you. Click the link below for more details, and we'll be seeing you shortly.